Remove and discard reservoir, cell cup and centrifuge tube. Unclick the slot plates, remove and wipe clean before remounting. Lift out the storage tray by gripping the front and rear of the handle and empty. Wipe the work plane with a 70% ethanol solution. Inspect the manifold for any debris and unwanted trapped water traces underneath the gasket. With an ethanol-soaked cotton bud, clean the centrifuge pins and the holder. Remove and empty the system water container and the waste container and leave outside the QPatch. After a week of operation or before any prolonged standstill, perform the QClean process. Remove all water filters from the system tray by pulling the white filter holder only, not the tube. Make sure not to twist the tubes. Empty the system tray, replace it and refit all water filters. Fill the container with 1 liter of milliQ water and add QClean by the ratio 1:250 or 4 milliliters. Perform the QClean by hitting the QClean button in maintenance and follow the on-screen instructions. With the waste container sitting outside the cube, pour 70% ethanol into the washing station to prevent growth in the waste tube and washing station tower.